What they do, Jones crew? It's your girl Crystal back at you again with another video. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video and drop a comment. Let me know if this was a helpful video to you, or just let me know whatever your thoughts may be on this video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right on into it, guys. As you can see, my face is freshly washed. I have on zero makeup, no makeup whatsoever at all. I do just have on lashes, that's it. So the product that I do use on my face is a product that is by Chanel. I have been using this product for over 2 years now, guys. So it is an exfoliant mousse. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. So as you can see, it is an exfoliant mousse by Chanel. It is a really, really good product, guys. Like I said, I've been using this product for over 2 years now. The reason I do like it so much is because it is an exfoliant, okay? So it does have these little micro beads in there, guys. That's really, really good for scrubbing and exfoliating dead skin off of your face to give you that nice natural glow. As well, another reason why I do really like this product, it not only exfoliates your skin, but it does tighten the skin as well. So right after I do wash, guys, I do feel that nice tightness in my skin. I haven't applied any oils, any creams, or anything. You can just see that natural glow happening there on my face, guys. So this is a really, really good product, I find. It is also anti-pollution as well, so that's awesome if you like that, guys. So what I usually do is I go ahead and take a little tiny amount, and I'm gonna show you guys right now the tiniest amount that I use is usually about that much right there, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Probably not. But there are little beads right in there. I'm gonna see if I can zoom. So you can't really see it, guys, but they're literally the tiniest little specks of beads in there, and they're blue. Okay, so basically what I do is I go ahead and I put this amount onto a little wash rag. I love using a wash rag because it does give me that extra scrub that I do need, guys. I don't know about you guys, but usually I have to exfoliate my skin at least once a week. I'm not telling anyone to do what I do. I'm not saying that my way is the right way. I'm just saying for my specific skin type, I have to exfoliate at least once a week, okay? And then so once I go ahead and I go in with that, I put it on my washcloth, and I just use the circular motions, guys. Circular motions, round and round, right here on the forehead. I go around my eyelashes. Of course, I don't want to mess up my eyelash extensions, so I'm basically just showing you the motion, exactly what I do there. Then I want to go ahead in and wash off the wash rag, washcloth, and go ahead and wipe off the soap that's on there. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands off right now. Okay, so once I go ahead and I go in with my washcloth with the circular motions, and I make sure I go ahead and exfoliate my skin for at least a minute. I'm doing that right there before I wash it off. Okay, and then once I get it all off, guys, and the smell to this is so fresh. It smells like a soap fresh, like I want to say like kind of like a zest. Just to give you an idea of the freshness it has, like, you know, that kind of fresh smell to it, that zest smell. It smells exactly like that, guys. So it's a really fresh, clean smell, especially if you shower at night and then you get up in the morning, you just wash your face kind of vibe. If you're into that sort of thing, this is definitely the way to go, because you just smell like you just took a complete shower. Like, even if I'm just hot or sweaty, you know, we do live in South Florida. If I get really hot and sweaty, I just want to come in and go ahead and do a quick little wash with my facial wash here. And that makes me feel so fresh, so clean, guys. I just love it. Comment down below if you've ever used this product before, if you've ever tried it. I literally just washed my face before I did this video, guys. So this is the result of using this. And again, I have no makeup on whatsoever, guys. And I've been using this for over 2 years now, okay? So again, this is what it is. It is the Chanel Mousse Exfoliant. It's amazing. I swear by it. It's good for me. Try it out. Let me know what you think, guys. So after I go in with my Mousse Exfoliant, I do like to go in with my Hydra Beauty Gel Cream, which is another cream by Chanel. Just because I like to stick to the same brand when I am using products for my face, for my skin, period. I want to stick to the same brand, just because for me, I feel like if I'm using more than one product and it does break me out, I'm not gonna know which product broke me out, or which product is giving me a rash, or which product I'm having an issue with, if I'm using more than one product or more than one brand. So I stick to the same brand, so that way I just know if my skin likes it, I know how it's working on my skin, so on and so forth, guys. So like I said, after I'm done with the Mousse Exfoliant face wash, I want to go in with my Hydra Beauty Gel Cream, which is a cream by Chanel as well. So I'm going to close up on that for you guys there. So this is it right here. And again, this is a gel cream. So the way it works is it kind of just locks in the moisture into your face. It doesn't leave you with a oily kind of residue. And again, I haven't put any on my face yet at all. I just completely washed my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and rub a little bit on there on my arm so you guys can just kind of see the vibe it gives you. And the smell on this, it literally smells like perfume, guys. It smells so good. So once you go in with the face wash and then you hit your face with the cream afterwards, guys, it smells so amazing. My husband loves this smell as well. He's just like, oh, you smell so good, ooh, and all that good stuff that you want your man to say, right? So I just put it on my hands, and I don't know, it's giving me a kind of a matte finish there. It takes away the greasiness. If you do have oily skin, it will take away that greasy look. So it does give you a nice natural glowy and matte finish. So it's really nice, guys. It's a really nice finish. The product smells so good, guys. I love it so much. I've been using this product for over 2 years now. So if you really want to try this product out, if you want to have clear skin, this product has given me some really clear skin, as you can see. Again, I just washed my face. I have on no makeup at all, guys. And this is just what it is. I haven't put on any of the cream yet, guys, but when I do go in with the cream, I do not use a lot at all. I use just about the same little drop amount, and then I just go ahead and I dot it everywhere on my face. Dot my 2 fingers, usually like this, these two, and then I go in with the circular motion again, okay? Sometimes I go up like this with this sweeping motion, just sweeping up everything, guys. That's the way I put on my creams and my lotions, excuse me. So that's about it, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think about these products. If you want to go ahead and grab them, try them out. Let me know what you think. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I'm really new here on YouTube, so I'm getting into a lot of different content, guys. I know it's a lot to keep up with, but just try for me, please. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're viewing all the videos here. Let me know which one is your favorite. What do you want to see more of? And that's about it, guys. I love you guys so much. God bless you, everyone that's watching this. I love you guys, and I wish you guys the best, and I'll see you next time.